Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the review of Accio AI. Accio is an AI-powered B2B sourcing platform designed to streamline the procurement process by intelligently connecting buyers with suppliers. By leveraging advanced AI algorithms, Accio offers features such as intelligent product matching, supplier evaluation, contract negotiation, and inventory management. These capabilities aim to enhance efficiency and reduce costs for businesses engaged in sourcing products and services. Accio utilizes artificial intelligence to analyze user requirements and match them with suitable suppliers, simplifying the traditionally complex sourcing process. The platform covers various aspects of procurement, including supplier evaluation, contract negotiation, and inventory management, providing an end-to-end solution for businesses. Accio offers an intuitive interface that allows users to input sourcing requirements in natural language, making it accessible to both technical and non-technical users. By automating the sourcing process, Accio reduces the time and effort required to find and evaluate suppliers, leading to faster procurement cycles. The platform's intelligent matching and procurement solutions aim to identify cost-effective sourcing opportunities, contributing to overall business savings. Accio provides detailed information and analytics on suppliers and products, aiding businesses in making informed sourcing decisions. Some users may need time to familiarize themselves with the platform's features and interface to fully leverage its capabilities. As Accio continues to evolve, certain features may still be under development and users might encounter occasional limitations or bugs. Overall, Accio positions itself as a valuable tool for businesses seeking to optimize their sourcing and procurement processes through AI-driven solutions. Potential users are encouraged to explore the platform to determine how it aligns with their specific business needs and to stay updated on new features and improvements as Accio continues to develop. So basically, this is the review of Accio AI. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.